Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today's video we are going to talk about how to use Printful's mock-up generator. So I did a simple text graphic that just basically says Printful Mockup. And I'm going to use that to show you how to use it. It is free to use for anyone. So say you want to create an ad and you don't know where to find mock-ups for like mugs and different items that you possibly have on like your Etsy store or even on your Shopify store or even like Redbubble, because most of these stores have the same things. But say you want to take that product and make a nice little mock-up and use it for an ad or just use it for your Instagram or Facebook page, you can use the Printful's mock-up generator. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So here is the Printful page. It's printful.com, and you're just going to go right over here to mock-up generator. Okay, so it tells you a little bit of what you can do with the generator. And you can read all of this, the page, but you can download it. Okay, you can download each image that you create. So here, I'm just going to go here. I'm going to pick a product. So the first one I'm going to pick is a shirt. It's the Bella Canvas 3001. And then I'm going to look at the shirt. They have different colors. The design I have is black. So let's see what it looks good on a few different color shirts. That's ash, silver, maybe like a soft cream too. So now I'm going to upload my design. You just make sure you're uploading legal designs that you own. I'm going to find that mockup. It just says Printful Mockup. So I uploaded that. It goes there, and then you click on your file, and it drops into the shirt. So then you would move your design where you need it to go, up, down, side. When you see this little background, you can take the grid off so that you can truly see. I would probably make this a little bit smaller. That is a pretty big um, design, but just says Printful Mockup, and that's how that looks. So you can put stuff on the back. I'm going to show you guys how something would look on the back and how far you can put that item up. So about right there. Okay. You want to see what it looks like for the outside label there. So it can be combined with the back print. You have the left sleeve and the right sleeve that you can put something on as well. So I got my shirts and all of that great stuff. So I'm going to hit continue. I guess I need to sign in. But let me sign in real quick to download it. So just make your account to use so you can do that, all right? So then you hit generate files. And please make sure whatever you do, you hit PNG, okay? Up here are the different types of mock-ups. I don't know why it went straight to the bottom of the page, but you have like two different styles of men mock-up. You have a flat mock-up. You have some with lifestyle images, some on hangers, some if you have couple shirts, you can have that as well. They have some Halloween, Christmas mock-ups as well. Choose whatever mock-ups you like. This is one of my favorites, the hangers and the flat lay. So we're going to choose all of those and make sure it's PNG so it has a transparent background and not the white background. And then you would just generate the files and it'll download into a zip file for you. And once you get it in the zip file and you hit download, then you can freely use the images wherever you would like. But I am going to show you guys that so you can see what happens. So I'm opening the file, I'm going to extract the file, and then you'll be able to see all of the mock-up images that you have for all of the colors. So you can use these on your websites for ads or, kind of whatever you decide to use it for. So it says create a new product, create a new design. I am going to do another mock-up. So it says back. I'm going to go back, go to all departments, and let's do a Let's do a mug. Home and living. Coffee mugs right here. All right, so let's do the enamel mug because yes, they have these too. So I'm going to upload that design again that I have. And I'm going to plop it right in there. So here, you know, for a mug, you want to make sure it's on whatever handle you want it. So then you hit this mock-up view so you can see if you need to move it over. So right now, you know, that's what it looks like. If I want to move that over and then go back to the mock-up view so I can see if I need to move it over a little bit more. So I think I will move it over some more. Look at it again, make sure it's good to your liking. If you want to move it up. So here's a mock-up and it just kind of shows what it'll look like. And you could probably finagle it a little bit more, but here is the enamel mug and that's your mock-up. Beautiful mock-ups here as well. So same thing with this one, generate files. And it has the different type of mock-ups. You can do a lifestyle mock-up. If you love those that were sitting out there, you can click those. You can click as many as you want. Again, make sure it says PNG. And you can edit the file name. So let's see, Printful mock-up mug. So that when it downloads, you know exactly what it is, okay? So you're not like, oh my gosh, where's that mug image or files. So once you name it, which I didn't show you guys in the first one, but know that you can name each of your files. So this is the Printful mug. I extract it and then we'll be able to see all of the different photos and variations of the mug. Okay. So I hope this was helpful. Some of you may not know that you could have used Printful's mockup generator to do different mockups for different products, but you can just create an account. An account with Printful is free, and if you're already using it and you didn't know that you could use the mockup generator like that, here you go. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.